Hey everyone, this is John Link at Apache Village RV Center. This beautiful motor coach behind me is one of the nicest used units we've had in years. This is the 2024 Fleetwood Frontier GTX 37 RT. Has an absolutely gorgeous paint job. This is built on a Freightliner chassis, which is second to none in the industry when it comes to quality, precision, power, just the general strength of this chassis. Very, very, very little room for error in the way that Fleetwood requires Freightliner to build these chassis for them. Down to 1/100 of an inch of accuracy, only 1/4 of an inch of deflection from corner to corner on one of these Freightliner chassis. This has the V-Series suspension, 360 Cummins. Once again, it's a Freightliner XCR. You can see this beautiful paint job that Fleetwood does, which is done in-house. Frameless windows, slide toppers, tons of storage. All these compartment doors up front here are pass-through storage. Going on to the inside of the coach, you'll see why this won an award for RV of the Year a few years ago. We have this beautiful interior. TV pops up right there. Overhead bunk. This has an aqua-hot, no propane, so it's all electric for the heating and for cooking and everything. This has an induction stovetop, and that aqua-hot's going to provide the coach's heating. So it has endless hot water. Because of that, it can run on diesel or electric through the aqua-hot system. You can see that induction stove I was talking about. Beautiful cabinetry in all the Fleetwoods. Gorgeous bathroom with multiple medicine cabinets. Fantastic fans throughout. 3 air conditioners, washer and dryer. And then the reason this won RV of the Year, if you work from home, we have a monitor back here and a desk where you can put a chair and have a small home office in the back of this RV, which is outstanding. One of the coolest designs come out in a Class A diesel in a long time. We have a closet over here. Automatic bed where you push a button, this can slide right up so you can be propped up watching TV or lay it back down at night. Gorgeous floors. Once again, thanks to our Freightliner chassis. This is only going to come with one box, very small box of extra tiles in case you ever crack one, because we do not have the issues with this chassis flexing like we do with a lot of other manufacturers, thanks to the design Fleetwood came up with in conjunction with Freightliner to build one of the most rigid chassis on the road. Provides a very low center of gravity for a very smooth ride. Absolutely gorgeous motor coach. This will come with our 1-year warranty as well, so all of the appliances and systems in here should be functioning properly. If we find during our checkout process, which on a basically brand new coach like this shouldn't be an issue whatsoever. Let's say the TV wasn't working and the microwave wasn't working and the fireplace right here wasn't working. That's all getting replaced and you are covered for a year on those items. So you have nothing to worry about. Apache Village has your back when it comes to our used unit warranty. Our family would love to earn your business. Come on out, stop on by and check out this beautiful motor coach. It's right at the 37-foot range. You can have your vehicle behind this, go cross country, hit the road, be working from home in this gorgeous coach here, and never look back. Sail off into the sunset, folks. If you have any questions, give us a call. We would love to earn your business. And from our family to yours, go one better, go Apache Village. Thanks for watching.